In this lesson, we'll be editing a post picture. So first things first, in Edit Post page, you go onto the image stack here. So get onto the stack, and then we add an action, and the action is upload or save media. And here we can select local upload because we want to first save it locally so that we can display it locally before saving it to Supabase. Then it's a photo and we make the size 300 by 300. Perfect. Next thing is that when it's been uploaded, we want it to show in the image here, but we need to first wrap this up in a condition because we want to make sure that a picture has been uploaded. So in a condition, we go to conditions, single condition, and we go and take the widget state, uploaded local file, confirm, and we want to make sure that it's set. Confirm that. And now if that is the case, then this image here should be uploaded file. And so we can go back to the widget state and select the uploaded local file. Confirm, and then else, if we don't have one, then what we want to do is also have an image, but this time the image should be the image we saved in Supabase. So we go to the path, and this time we go to the post row, and inside the post row we take the post picture, and we're going to add a default as well because maybe there is no picture in Supabase yet, so we'll go and add the default now. So to go and get the default, we go to media, and we have the default no pic. Let's open this up, and then you just copy the URL at the top, go back to Flutterflow, and then let's just add the default URL just here. Confirm, and that is perfect. So now when a user clicks on this image, he's prompted the possibility to upload a new picture. He can upload a picture and automatically it'll display on here. Now let's go and add this to Supabase. So update post. So we need to go to the action flow editor, open this up, and in here we add a conditional action, and the condition is a single condition again, and the same one as before. So we go to the widget state, upload local file, confirm, and this has to be is set. Great. And this should not be up here, it's backend call. So let's just cut this and paste it here. So right now what we're doing is we're checking if we have uploaded a file, if the user has added a new picture, and if they have not added a new picture, then it goes to the false. So it does the same thing as before, which is just update the description and title as there's no picture, and then navigate back to the home screen. But if the user has added a picture, then we're going to go and save it in Supabase and then delete the old Supabase picture. So let's go and do this. Add an action, upload and save media. This time, first of all here, this time we want to set it to Supabase, and then in a Supabase we have the bucket that's called post pics, and then here the folder is called pics. So in Flutterflow it's post pics, and here pics. Great. But we don't want to get it from the camera gallery. This time we want to get it from the uploaded media as we've already uploaded a picture. And it is inside a widget state, uploaded local file. Confirm, and that's nice. Next thing is we want to check, have we already saved a picture in Supabase? And if we have, so we need to add another conditional unfortunately, but we need to check if it has already been added, we need to go and delete it. So add the condition. Again, it's a single condition, but this time we're going to go and check if the post row already has get row already has a post pic. So confirm, and this here should be is set and not empty. Confirm. And now if this is true, add an action, delete, and here we want to delete data. We select Supabase, and then the value is from the post row for existing picture post pic that's saved in a post table. We confirm that, and we want to delete that. Great. And finally, we want to update a post table with a new URL. So let's just copy this here. We paste this just here. And so of course we'll be updating the description and title if they've been changed. And then additionally, we'll also be updating the news post pic. So we go to post pic, and here we go and get the widget state. And now we go and get the URL from the widget state. And that's great. So just a quick recap. So what we're doing is we're first checking if the user has uploaded a new picture. If they have not uploaded a new picture, then simply all that happens is we update the description and title with what's inside the widget, and then we navigate back to the home page. But if a user has updated or has added a new picture, then we go and save this picture to Supabase. If there was already a picture in Supabase, we go and delete it. And then finally, we go and update a post table again with a description, title, and with a URL of a post picture. And then we navigate back to the home page. Okay, let's test this out. Here we are. And so now let's just click on Lisbon, for example. Let's update the picture, go to the gallery. Let's just choose this picture here. It uploads the picture, and now let's just update the post. And as we can see, Lisbon has been properly updated. And if we go back to a Supabase backend, we can see that inside there's only 3 files. So the old picture has been deleted and the new one has been added. And then if you go to the tables into posts, in the Lisbon one, we can also see that the new URL has been uploaded. And if we just copy this and paste it, we'll see that it's a Lisbon picture. So everything works and everything is running properly. That's it for this lesson.